Hi guys, let me show you today another interesting engineering fact. I'm going to show you how a simple shape can completely change the load bearing capacity of the structure. So here I have three pieces of paper. The first one is just plain flat sheet. The second one is same sheet but folded back and forth. And the third one is folded into multiple triangular patterns, what we call corrugation. Now let's test them. First, the plain sheet. So when I place a bottle on the top, see, it collapses immediately. Now next, try the folded one. This is a little stronger, but when I place the bottle on the top of it, it again collapses. And finally, the corrugated sheet. Watch this carefully. So the same paper, same weight, but now it holds perfectly. Why does this happen? Well, the triangular corrugated folds make the paper much stiffer instead of bending in one direction. So the load spreads across the folds, resisting deformation. That's why corrugated shapes are used in cardboards, decking, and even in the bridges. So the lesson is simple. In engineering, shape can be stronger than the material.